and welcome to another episode of Dunster House TV. In today's episode we are visiting Ian Wells' garden. Ian was missing the feeling of going to his local pub on a Friday night to watch the football, so he decided to make his own. He found our DaftBadger Log Cabin, and at 4.2 metres by 3 metres it was perfect for his garden. The Badger Bar was born.
Okay, hi everyone. My name's Ian. I recently bought the DaftBadger Log Cabin from Dunster House to have an entertainment space in the garden. Kind of fitted our garden perfectly. We don't have a big garden. We've actually got quite a nice decking area off the back of an extension, but the rest of the garden was just kind of lawn with some really old patio space in two parts of the garden. And the dimensions of the DaftBadger were perfect, given, it's kind of a rectangular shape, but the door comes off at an angle, so it kind of faces back into the garden. So it's kind of like the longer feature of a corner cabin. And actually now that it's up, it fits perfectly with what we've got. We basically redid the entire kind of patio, dug everything up, obviously laid the concrete base for the cabin. Got the cabin up and then laid a new patio throughout the rest of the lawn area. We didn't really have a set plan for it, other than the fact that we wanted the main feature to be a bar. I built a bar from pallets and fitted that into the corner of the cabin. We knew we wanted kind of authentic pub kind of feel to it, so we managed to find a log barrel table and two kind of log stools, because they're built from the kind of log barrel wood. Now with the bar itself, we've put some optics in the corner, and underneath the bar I've just got a fridge, quite a big fridge, which keeps a lot of refreshments in, let's say. And then basically towards the front of the cabin, we've got some softer seating, some rattan furniture. So you kind of got like half the side of the bar being kind of like a bit more pub feel, and then kind of like a loungy area towards the front of the cabin. Because the main theme of the bar was actually somewhere where we could go and watch sport. So I'm pretty much in there every Friday, Saturday night watching the football, having a beer, and of course once the lockdown rules relax and we can have people over, then we're hoping to watch the Euros with friends and family and cheer England on. This gives us a place where we can go and chill out and watch football and other various sports and have a drink or two. Really, really good fun to put together, really easy. Quality of the build is amazing. People that have been able to come over and have a look have said how impressed they are. Can't believe what we've done. So it's a very, very, very good build, and we're really pleased with what we've got from Dunster.
That's it for another episode of Dunster House TV. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss an episode.